said, Foodie. We're going to do our last Christmas cookie today. And the only name I have for them on my mom's card is called Fill the Cookies. But they're another one that I really enjoy. So we'll start the. What I've got in the bowl here is 2.5 cups of flour. And to the flour, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of CRISCO. We are going to add 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'll try to stir this up using a hand mixer. We'll see what happens. The hand mixer wasn't quite working out, so I finished kneading the dough by hand. You want some cookies? Oh. We've got the dough well kneaded. A hand mixer is not going to work on this dough, so if you have a good KitchenAid stand-up mixer, you can use that. Or what I did is do this by hand, and it's a workout. So we've got it all kneaded. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a couple hours to get it cold. And then what we'll end up doing is rolling out big sheets, cut out some circles, fill it with date filling. We have the dough out of the refrigerator, and I've rolled some of it out. Now what I have here is just a glass. I don't know what that is. I should have measured it. Maybe 2 inches. But you want it cookie size. So I'm going to make some circles. Now I'm going to start with the dates. I've got date filling here that I've made, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very simple. Put about 1 teaspoon. And then as you can see, I have some leftover filling from the kiflies we just made. I got apricot and some of the solo almond, and we can use that up as well. We're going to fold this over in half, press the sides down. Just put some little fork. Keep doing this and roll out more dough until they're all filled up. I got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. Okay, we got our first tray ready. We got the oven preheated to 400. We're going to bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes. I pulled these out of the oven at 10 minutes, and I think these are done. You can see they're starting to turn a little bit brown on the side. That looks good. So we'll let them cool off a little bit, and we'll do a taste test. Hopefully they've cooled off a little bit. Catherine's gonna be our taste tester.
Don't make it too hot. Good, very good.
Very good. They're gonna be better when they cool off a little. And just like I remember my mom making. Thanks. I think this is gonna make about 5 dozen cookies. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie, and Merry Christmas. For the date filling in a pot, stir in 3/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 cups chopped dates. Heat on medium heat until it starts to boil. Stir often. When it begins to boil, turn down the heat to medium-low. Keep stirring and checking every 5 minutes until you have a nice thick consistency. When the filling is thick, turn off heat and bring to room temperature, and there you have your date filling for the cookies. Very easy.